Hi guys, welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Monday.com versus Notion. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. At the end of this video, you will be able to differentiate and understand the uses of Monday.com and Notion. Now we're first going to talk about Notion. After that, we're also going to talk about Monday.com. Now, most of this platform, by the way, allows you to have a team member or a member to help you with your different works. But you can also use both of them individually, like on your own. You don't need a team to access or use its different features. But I'm just saying you have the option to add team members to help you create the outputs that you're trying to create. Now, in Notion, the thing I like about Notion is there are some AI features. Now, before we discuss about the AI features, you have your different sections over here on the left side. You have the ability to search different things to jump into a page. You have the ability to check out different updates, the ability to add your team members and settings over here, and you can also create a new page. When you click on create a new page, you have the option to start with an empty page or import, use a template, have a table, board, timeline, calendar, and when you click on board, you have the ability to add a list or a calendar over here. Now, as you notice, there is this option start with AI. This is what I was talking about earlier. You are able to incorporate AI in Notion and help you build things. As you can see, you could ask AI to help you continue writing. You could ask it to summarize your text, find action items, translate, explain, and you also have different options over here like edit or review the page, draft with AI, insert AI blocks, and you have your resets about here, which is very useful. And then you could translate anything into another language. Now, you could also create a page for a specific section. As you can see here, we have this area over here, so I can add it as under the untitled or under the task list, depending on what you would like to do. But this is right now in the private pages. You could also share this to the web, view all comments, view past changes to this page, or pin this. Now, as you can see here, this is my untitled. I could delete all of this for now. Go delete all of this area. There we go. Simply click on delete. There we go. Now, for me, Notion is a good area to talk about with your teammates, like a brainstorming area. While in Monday.com, this is for doing a lot of projects, doing a lot of things. For example, when we open this board testing over here, mainly this is where you can check out the different tasks assigned to a team member. But I find it lacking when they won't be able to really discuss about something. But in Notion, there is an empty page. Basically, anything that is empty is an opportunity to have something to talk about. Now, under here on my untitled, let's try and check or create a section or a new page. Right now, there's a new page, right? So I can add a name. Let's say team discussion or team meeting, something like that. And after that, as you can see, write about team discussion. This is now the AI. So I could ask it to create an introduction that encourages team members to participate in team discussion. So we can enter, and then the AI will write something about it. As you can see, it created us an introduction right away. This is the thing I like about Notion. And then you have the option to drag it around, move the location of the text. There we go. You can move it to wherever you would like it to put it. And you have the option to click this. You will be able to add another text under this, another page even, a to-do list, a heading, and all of those things that you are seeing right now. You can even add a video. For example, I would like to add a list, a to-do list. I can click that, and now I have a to-do list over here. Let's say greet team, and you can add another one. Let's say introduce yourself, and then you can add more and more and more as long as you press on enter. And then they can simply click on checklist. There we go. Check on checklist. You can interact with it right away. Now you can add other things. You can click on commands. Then you could add whatever you would like to add over here. Then let's say you could like to continue writing. There we go. It will add another thing to your checklist over here. Now you can customize and create different things because, like I said earlier, it is a blank page, so you can create virtually anything you would like because we have the option to add anything we would like, as you can see here with all of these options and things that you could add over here. There's also sections that are pre-made for you, like a quick note section over here, personal home section over here, where you can check out your movie list, receipts, yearly goals, and travel plans. It is very useful. You have your task list over here. Already have something that Monday.com has. As you can see, you can add your task over here. Let's say for my to-do, create a YouTube video, like that. Then after that, I can drag it into this one, into doing, and then to done, which is very useful. You will be able to move them around easily and very fast. I could click on the three dots and I could do all of these things with my task list and my different tasks. And I could also click on new, and this will allow me to create a new task over here or even a new template. And there's also journals over here. Basically, these things that we are seeing right now are templates that you could create in Notion. And you could create your own team space over here as well. You create your workplace. When you click this, you will be able to create a name for it. Let's say team member or team brainstorming. Then you can simply click on create a team space, and we will be able to create that team space over here. This is for your team members. There we go. Then you can simply invite them to your team. What I did over here earlier was private, meaning these are for me specifically. But for your team, this is where you will be able to create your different things over here. As you can see, there's some templates that are being used automatically for you to edit and check out. As you can see, like for projects, tasks, meetings, and all of those stuff. Notion has a lot of things that you can do with it. In templates as well, you can check it out. As you can see, there's templates for to-do list, project and task and scripts, meeting, docs, and wiki, and there's a lot of different templates that you could use. It is a very flexible website that you could use for personal use and for team use. Go check out our Monday.com over here. Now in Monday.com, it is a bit limited compared to Notion, as you can see here. Right now, the version we're using is a work management version, but there are other versions, of course. But in this work management option, as you can see, this is where you can manage your different tasks. You have your main table over here. You could add a new view. You can view it in Gantt, chart, calendar, Kanban, files, gallery, forms, and a blank view over here. You could check it out. As you can see, these are different projects. And to be able to create a new task, you can simply click on new task over here, which would allow you to create a new task right away over here. Or you could actually create a new task right away on a specific category. There we go. Just like that. We're simply adding them over here. Then you could add a new group. You could rename the name of this. Let's say cannot do, just like that. Then you can simply have another task over here that you cannot do for your task list over here. Now, you can also check out other things. You could invite other members over here as well. There's also an automate option over here, the automation center. There we go. You could create an automation for your different things. This is very useful. There's different templates as well that you could check it out. This can be an automation for you. Like, for example, when you finish a specific task, you have set as something to be performed after that specific task is completed. You could have an automation with that. You could also integrate different platforms with this, which is very great, very useful. And you can check out different persons, filters, sort, and hide columns over here. You can also create other workspace, similarly with the section over here for the team space over here. This is the workspace. You can create forms as well over here. You could have question forms and different things to help you get information. You can see here. You can check out your main table over here, results, response, view, where over here, different things. There are different applications or different products of Monday.com. As you can see here, there's a Monday Marketer, Sales, CRM, Monday Dev over here. Right now, we are checking out the Monday Manager. For the Monday projects, we could view that as well. You can check this out. As you can see, this is what it would look like. It's a bit different, but essentially the same thing. And that's basically it for Monday.com. It's not a really wide, although there are some projects or different products over here that you could check out. As you can see here, they're separate. But I think for me, Notion is a better one because you have more freedom to do a lot of things. And essentially, you could do basically almost everything Monday.com can do, but more freedom and with the addition of an AI. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.